In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share a board in Monday.com step by step. Whether you're working with clients, freelancers, or external partners, sharing a board properly ensures they only see what you want them to see. I'll also explain an important setting that many people miss when inviting guests. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open the board you want to share. Before inviting anyone, there's something very important to understand. Guests cannot be invited to main boards or private boards. If your board is currently set to main or private, you must convert it into a shareable board first. To do that, open the board. Under the board name at the top left area, you'll see the board type label. Click on the board type. A menu will appear allowing you to change the board type. Select Shareable. Once you confirm this change, your board will now allow guest access. This step is essential, so don't skip it. Next, go to the top right corner of the board. Look for the Share button. It usually has an icon that looks like a person with a small plus symbol. Click on Share, and a pop-up window will appear. This is where you can invite people to collaborate on this specific board. Inside the Share window, you'll see a field where you can enter an email address. Type in the guest's email address carefully. Keep in mind that a guest must be outside your company domain. For example, if your company domain is @mycompany.com, then the guest email should be something different, like gmail.com, outlook.com, or a client's company domain. Monday.com uses this to distinguish between internal team members and external guests. After entering the email address, click Invite. The system will send them an invitation to access this board. Now let's talk about permissions, because this is another important step. After inviting the guest, you'll see their name listed in the Share panel. Click on their name, then select Permissions. Here you can choose the level of access you want them to have. Depending on your setup, you can control what they can edit, view, or manage. Make sure you choose the appropriate access level based on whether they just need visibility or full collaboration access. Once that's done, the guest will receive an email invitation. They simply click Join the board, sign in or create their account if needed, and they will gain access. The best part is they will only see the specific shareable board you invited them to, not your entire workspace. This keeps your internal projects secure while still allowing smooth collaboration. And that's it. That's exactly how to share a board in Monday.com with external guests the right way. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials and productivity software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.